comes to young people, they think you're high. But I got one on the border side. Yes, I've been tested by the sense of time. And sure the plumber says he's on my side. Got a secret weapon that will tip the scale. And in the fall I'm gonna whip you. See you in November. And I'm a great defender. I see you in November. You know I will remember. See you in November. And I'm a great defender. I see you in November. You know I will remember. Here. Thank you. Thank you, my friends. And the fellows American. I accept your nomination as a Republican delegate. And as a president, I will go on kill everybody that's around me, you know? And you better be aware that I'm here and I'm gonna be here, and Barack Obama never gonna make it. I'll be standing right here and don't move.
Mr. Brunetti, could you